my channel. I'm Afton and this is Cooking with Afton. How you guys doing? Well, in today's video I'll be showing you guys how to make a salad. This salad is my ripe plantain, my sweet potato and egg salad. Alright, so I'll show you guys step by step how to make this delicious salad, and I hope you guys enjoy watching my video. Give my video a thumbs up and also please subscribe to my channel and click the bell so you guys will be notified whenever I upload another video. Alright, and also you guys can also look out for my oven baked pineapple chicken and my vegetable rice. Alright, all three of these dishes I made on Mother's Day, so look out for all three of them. And I will also leave those links in the description box down below, and all my measurements and my ingredients in the description box down below. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoy watching the video, and let me just show you my ingredients. Enjoy! Hey guys, so these are my ingredients for my sweet potato and ripe plantain and egg salad. Yes, I'm putting everything together. So these are my sweet potato, my ripe plantain, my eggs, and this is the salt there. So let's pour all of our ingredients in the pot of hot water. So the first thing you're gonna do, you're gonna pour a tablespoon of salt into the water, and you're gonna stir it up a little bit, and then you're gonna put in your ripe plantain and our sweet potato, right? Gonna pour that in and let it boil, and also you're gonna put in your eggs. Put in your eggs, and you're gonna let everything boil until it gets soft. So we'll be back. Okay guys, so my sweet plantain and my sweet potato and my eggs finished boiling. So I'm gonna strain it out now and let it cool down. Okay, and then I'll show you guys the next step. Okay guys, so my sweet plantain and my sweet potato finished boiling alongside with my egg. So I'll strain it out now and let it cool down, and then I'll show you guys the next step. Okay guys, so these are the rest of my ingredients. So my sweet plantain and my sweet potato finished boiling. So over here we have some mayo, white vinegar, sugar, carrots, sweet corn, shallots, sweet pepper, 1 cube, mustard hot sauce, paprika, egg, and sugar. So we're gonna mix everything together now in a bowl. So let me just show you guys something. So in a bowl, you're gonna pour in some mayonnaise. Check the description box down below and I'll let you guys know how much I use. So you're gonna pour in your mayonnaise, and you're gonna pour in your sugar, and you're gonna mix it up. Combine the sugar very well. Also you're gonna put in your cubes, or you can use salt instead. You're gonna put in your sweet pepper, carrots, some shallots. You're going to keep mixing it, and also you're going to put in some corn, and if you want to give it a little kick, you can put in some mustard hot sauce. You're going to mix it well and let everything combine. So after you finish mixing up the sugar and everything, you're going to pour in a little bit of white vinegar. And mix it up. And also we have our eggs here, our boiled eggs. You're just going to cut it up into small pieces, and you're gonna put them right in the bowl with the mayonnaise mixture, just like this, and just cut them up. I have the last one here. I'm using 3 eggs. Okay guys, just gonna cut them up. And you're going to mix this up. And also we're gonna put in our sweet potato and our sweet plantain. Alright guys, and we're gonna mix everything up together. Just like this. Just make sure the mayonnaise cover all over the sweet potato and the sweet plantain. Okay guys, remember guys, today's Mother's Day and you guys should look out for my vegetable rice and my pineapple chicken. Okay guys, so when you're done here, I'm gonna just put this in the fridge to chill for a bit, and I'm gonna make my vegetable rice now. So we'll be back and I'll show you guys the end results. So I just took my potato salad out of the fridge. So this is how it's looking. So you're gonna do, if you want, you can sprinkle a little paprika on top of it, all over. So I'll dish it out now and let you guys see the potato salad, the vegetable rice, and my pineapple chicken. So we'll be back.